So today I have a great video and it's all about Amazon, and it's about my favorite Amazon beauty purchases. And actually I have a whole laundry list of products that I love to order from Amazon, but I'm gonna keep this short and concise today and just give you my top 5 products that I have been reordering lately from Amazon. And these are gonna specifically just have to do with mainly beauty. One of them is kind of an accessory piece. So let's just go ahead and kick it off right now. We'll start with the first product. So this is the one that's not really beauty. This is the Lobe Wonder, and these are the earlobe support patches for earrings. And so these are basically little clear stickers. They're like little discs that you peel off of the little paper, and you patch them right behind your earlobe where you put your earring in, and it helps to support the earlobe when you wear really big, heavy, obnoxious, dramatic earrings like I love to, and I wear them every day. So this just really helps to support the earlobes and make sure that that hole where you put your earring in doesn't tend to get any bigger or longer, and so it helps take the stress off the earlobe. Literally have them on right now. You can't see them at all. They're wonderful. So they're $16.99 for 180 patches, and I think that they have a box that you can get even more than that for not much more money, but for 17 bucks. These things are a lifesaver if you love big, huge earrings like me. Okay, second product. It is one of my favorite skincare products of all time. So this is the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. It is a very gentle toner. It has salicylic acid in it. It unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores. It smooths an even skin tone, and it's lightweight and absorbs quickly, so it feels great on your skin once it's been absorbed. I have been using this stuff for years. I repurchase it all the time. Right now on Amazon, they've got it for I think $27.99, which is like $2 less than what you can buy it at normal retailers online. I swear it just makes my skin look better than ever. After a week of using it consistently every night, the surface of your skin will just feel so smooth and just so lovely, and nothing in the world shrinks pores, in my opinion, but this stuff. So it just cleans and unclogs. It's awesome. I will use just an exfoliating cotton round like this, and you just pour it on the cotton pad and rub it all over your skin after you've washed your face at night, and then go on with your moisturizers and whatnot on top of it. It is the bomb. It is one of my favorite skincare products of all time. So go get you some Paula's Choice BHA liquid. Okay, third product. This is Model in a Bottle Long-Lasting Eyebrow Sealer. Now, I was introduced to this product years ago when I went to the makeup show in New York City. It was the first time I'd ever been to the makeup show. And I remember I walked by a booth, and one of the salespeople at Model in a Bottle was like, "Hey, have you heard about our eyebrow sealer?" And I was like, "No, but I love to do my eyebrows, and I love to do other people's eyebrows." And especially as a makeup artist, eyebrows is key. It is so important. And one of the biggest problems I feel like women have when it comes to doing their eyebrows is for the product to stay put. Like, it will fade during the day, or the eyebrow hairs can get unruly and kind of go every which way. And so what this stuff does is it literally seals in your eyebrow products, whatever you use, powder, gel, shadow. Once you've drawn in your eyebrows, you just basically take this product. It has like a little mascara wand that's included, and you just rake it through your eyebrows once you're done putting in your eyebrow product, whatever that may be. And you let it sit for just a couple seconds, and your eyebrows will not move. The hair won't move, and the colors that you have applied will not move. So if you don't like your eyebrows staying in one place all day long, this isn't gonna be for you. But if you do love for your eyebrows to stay in place all day long, this stuff is it. It's $18.99, but I swear, I think I've had this bottle for years and still going strong. It is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, all those good things, and I just can't say enough of good things about Model in a Bottle. It's awesome. Now on to my fourth product. Again, one of these things I tell all of my friends and clients that they should invest in because I love them, and these are eye treatment masks. Now, there are all sorts of brands that make them on Amazon. I've tried a ton of them, but these are specifically the 24 karat gold eye treatment masks. And they are basically, this is the little scooper you can get them out with. They're basically little tiny masks for your under eye beds. So we all know that sometimes our eyes can get really dry and dehydrated, and we can get little fine lines as we get older. And so an eye cream is great, but these are kind of like the extra next step you need in addition to your eye cream. So this is what they look like. I know that the ingredients that are included in these are like hyaluronic acid and collagen, vitamin C serum, all of those really good things that help to plump up the skin around your eye. And so you'll just take these and you'll literally, I have on makeup, so I'm not gonna apply this right now, but you put them under your eye And then you just let them sit on your eyes for about 20 minutes. I always like to apply mine in the morning if I can, while I'm getting my kids' lunches ready, while I'm drinking my coffee. And so these things just immediately refresh the eye bed. It plumps them up, it hydrates them, and then I'll put on my eye cream right after I have had these on for about 20 minutes. And you'll see they're really, really jelly-y. And you'll find that after about 20, 25 minutes, once you peel it off your eye, they are all dry, and so you know that your eyes have soaked up all of that product, which is an awesome feeling in my opinion. These are great if you put them in the refrigerator and store them there for a little bit, and so they're a nice cooling sensation on your eye bed in the morning when you wake up, which helps with puffiness, which we all tend to get if we've had a late night or haven't slept well for any reason. So I usually go for ratings, whatever has the most reviews, those are the ones I'm gonna buy. This is probably like the third different brand that I have bought, and I have been very happy with them. So I'll actually link these exact ones in the description below this video. Fifth and final product from Amazon that I love to order are these red cherry false eyelashes. I love these specifically in the DEMI wispy style. So as a makeup artist, I apply false lashes on people all the time. I think I was researching what does Mario use, Makeup by Mario for Kim Kardashian, what eyelashes he uses on her, and this brand happened to pop up. And so I've actually tried a couple different styles from Red Cherry, and the DEMI Wispies just seem to work the best for me and for my clients. They're not super over dramatic and scary and long and too full to where they look fake. These actually look really, really nice on, and they come in, you know, these cute little individual packets. I always order the 6 pair. You peel them off, put them on, and then when you're done with them at night and you take them off appropriately with some eye makeup remover and you gently pull them off, take off all the glue, just kind of pick off the glue, you can store them back on this little thing in the box and you can rewear them. I probably get 3 or 4 wears out of 1 pair of these red cherry lashes. So I think it's well worth it for 22 bucks for 6 boxes. It's kind of great. They look nice, they look natural, but they give just enough fullness, and they're very wispy, which that's what I like when I wear false eyelashes. I want them to look wispy. So that is my 5th and final product for today. There are definitely more things that I buy from Amazon, but right now I just wanted to stick with 5 so I didn't overwhelm you. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I will definitely link I'll have you link all the products in the description below this video. So you can easily just go down there, look for the product that you're most interested in, and click on that link. It'll take you straight to the retailer just to check it out. But thank you so much for watching this video today. And definitely if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And also, I always like to ask if you like Instagram, if you like Facebook, and if you like Pinterest or Twitter, please follow me over there at Jenny Sue Makeup. That's what it is on all of my channels, so very easy. And if you have any other ideas for other videos in the future, or if you have comments on this one, or maybe you have some Amazon beauty products that you just love that you think I need to know about, please tell me in the comments below. That would be so fun. So I'll have some ideas of what I should put in my cart for next time. But thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Because they're so heavy, and I'm getting really long-winded, aren't I? So I already did a pretty good introduction, right? Don't you think? Stretch out the hole in your ear, which is kind of weird, kind of gross. All right, I did okay walking in, right? Like, oh, I didn't walk in, I was just sitting here. Okay, do you think I could do this without you staring at me? Can you say bye to the camera? Bye, everybody. Your little hole where you've got your earring put in. I just feel like I'm like, really? Yeah? Oh, you're literally gonna turn your back? Oh. You want him to be a part of the video, but the breath is just so bad. So bad for someone so cute. You don't wanna like, just delete all this?